Ever wondered how Bitcoin ETFs could revolutionize the crypto industry? How this seemingly complex financial instrument could potentially boost the price of Bitcoin and why it's creating such a buzz in the financial world? Well, let's start from the basics. An exchange-traded fund, or ETF for short, is a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product that tracks an index, a commodity, bonds, or a basket of assets. Think of it like a basket filled with different types of financial goodies. This could include everything from stocks in tech companies to commodities like gold and silver, or in this case, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The beauty of an ETF is that it trades on a stock exchange, just like an individual company's stock. This means you can buy and sell shares of an ETF just as you would any other stock, but with the added benefit of diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your money in one stock, an ETF allows you to spread it out across a range of assets. Now, onto the main event, Bitcoin ETFs. These are ETFs that track the price of Bitcoin. They provide a way for investors to get exposure to Bitcoin without actually having to buy and store the cryptocurrency themselves. So, why is this such a big deal for the crypto industry? Well, there are a few reasons. First, it opens up Bitcoin to a whole new category of investors. By packaging Bitcoin into an ETF, it essentially gives traditional investors a more familiar and accessible way to invest in this new and often misunderstood asset class. Second, it adds a layer of legitimacy to Bitcoin by being included in an ETF. Bitcoin is essentially being recognized as a viable and valuable asset, much like stocks, bonds, and commodities. Finally, and perhaps most excitingly for Bitcoin enthusiasts, is the potential impact on the price of Bitcoin. As we've seen in recent news, the launch of a Bitcoin ETF could add an additional $100 million in daily demand for Bitcoin. This increased demand, combined with the halving of mining rewards, could drive up the price of Bitcoin significantly. In summary, Bitcoin ETFs could open up the crypto industry to a whole new world of investors, add legitimacy to Bitcoin, and potentially drive up the price significantly. This is why the prospect of Bitcoin ETFs is creating such a buzz in the crypto industry. So keep your eyes peeled, because the world of finance could be on the brink of a Bitcoin revolution.